Alright guys, what's up? I'm back at it again with another cleaning video. How to basically make your chrome wheels. You know, this is common on every big truck. All this aluminum. You know, you got all of this. We're basically going to turn all of this into looking like this. With no scrubbing at all. Look at that. You can see the reflection in it perfectly. Look at that. Hi. Alright, so basically I got another product from Blue Wolf again that makes this, the Magen Wire Wheel Cleaner. All you need is a bottle of this and a pressure washer, and that's it. So basically I'm going to show you how to apply it. Just squirt it on there. Like so. You do the steps, everything that's chrome.
Or aluminum.
Or aluminum, either one. That already starting a little bit. You can already see my reflection in that already. I mean fuel tanks are the worst. You need the pressure washer. Look at that! That right there is crazy clean. Guys, you can actually see where he didn't spray. Actually see where he didn't spray and where he did spray. On just how it makes it pop with no scrubbing. I bet you if you polished that up, you'd be able to see your reflection even better in that. Guys, hit them up again. Blue Wolf, Magen Wire Wheel Cleaner. Peace.